Hey everyone, welcome back to A Chatter Corner, the place where learning English becomes fun, real, and part of your everyday life. If you're new here, hi, I'm Anushka, and today's video is going to be one of the most powerful speaking practices ever. We're doing shadowing practice.
Exactly. I'm John, and together we'll have a real-life English conversation that you can listen to and speak along with us. It's called shadowing. It helps you improve your pronunciation, accent, and fluency naturally.
So before we start, don't forget to attempt our daily English quizzes in the community post section. Watch our YouTube shorts for quick real-life conversations and speaking tips. And of course, try speaking while walking, traveling, or doing your daily work. Let's start shadowing together and sound like fluent English speakers.
So, Anushka, how was your morning?
Pretty good. I woke up early, went for a walk, and listened to some English podcasts. What about you?
Nice! I actually tried shadowing a TED Talk this morning.
Oh, really? That's great. Shadowing really improves pronunciation. What was the topic?
It was about the power of habits. I tried repeating along with the speaker, but I think I was too slow.
That's totally fine. In shadowing, you just need consistency, not perfection. Tip for viewers, repeat this sentence with us. I just need consistency, not perfection.
That's a good reminder. You know, sometimes we expect results too fast.
Absolutely. Viewers, you can repeat this too. I will keep practicing even if I make mistakes.
All right, friends, let's quickly understand what shadowing means. It's simple. You listen carefully to the conversation. You repeat exactly what you hear with the same emotion and tone. And you speak at the same time, not after it.
So, while we're talking, you just have to shadow us. Say what we say. You can even pause and rewind the video to repeat tricky parts.
Yes, this is your practice space. Don't worry about others. Just focus on your voice and improvement.
So, Anushka, do you remember your first time speaking English in public?
Oh yes, I was in college, and I was so nervous. My hands were shaking.
Same here. I once gave a presentation and forgot half my sentences.
You know what helped me? Shadowing. I started mimicking English speakers, movies, podcasts, even YouTubers. Slowly, I started feeling more confident.
That's inspiring. And it's relatable too. I think everyone watching can feel that fear of speaking English.
Yes! Viewers, repeat this line with me. I'm not afraid of speaking English anymore. Say it with energy. I'm improving every single day.
I love that energy. You know, when you speak with confidence, people start listening differently.
Exactly. Fluency is not about grammar. It's about expressing yourself clearly.
So let's practice together. You, me, and everyone watching.
Let's do a mini role play.
Hi, what would you like to order today?
I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Would you like it hot or cold?
Hot, please. And maybe a chocolate brownie, too.
Good choice. That's my favorite.
Thanks. So, do you often come here?
Almost every morning. I love the smell of coffee. It helps me start my day right.
Now it's your turn. Repeat this dialogue with us. Hi, what would you like to order today?
I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Would you like it hot or cold?
Hot, please.
You're doing great.
You know, learning English sometimes feels like a long journey.
True, but every single step counts. Even shadowing for 10 minutes a day brings results.
And the best part? You're never alone. We're all learning together.
Exactly. That's why we built a Chatter Corner, a community where learners support each other. You can share your progress in the comments, motivate others, and grow together.
So, if you're watching this right now, promise yourself that you'll shadow at least 5 minutes daily.
And if you feel low or unmotivated, come back here. We'll remind you why you started.
Okay, everyone, now we'll do quick shadowing drills. Repeat each line after us. I believe in myself.
I can speak English confidently.
Every day I'm getting better.
I learn, I grow, I shine.
Awesome! You sound amazing! Keep repeating these sentences daily. It'll boost your confidence.
And remember, your accent doesn't define your intelligence, your confidence does.
That's it for today's shadowing practice, friends. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next one.
Also, check out the daily quizzes in our community tab. They'll test your English in a fun way. And don't miss our YouTube shorts for quick real-life conversations and daily speaking tips.
Try shadowing while walking, cooking, or traveling. Make English a part of your life.
We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep shining.
This is a Chatter Corner, signing off.